In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use compact numbers in Looker Studio charts. This technique is perfect for making large values more readable at a glance, transforming your dashboards into cleaner and more impactful visualizations. Let's dive right in and explore the concept of compact numbers and how they can enhance your data presentation. So, what exactly are compact numbers? Essentially, compact numbers are a way to abbreviate large figures using unit symbols. The goal is to simplify and declutter your data display without compromising the understanding of the information. For instance, if you have a number like 1,500, this would be shown as 1.5K. Similarly, 2,600,000 becomes 2.6M when compacted. This approach not only tidies up your dashboards, but also makes them more intuitive to interpret. Now that we've got a grasp of what compact numbers are, let's get into how you can enable them in Looker Studio, starting with scorecards. Begin by selecting your scorecard while in Edit mode. Once you've got it selected, you'll want to navigate to the Style tab. Here, you'll find a toggle option for compact numbers. Switch it on, and your numbers will transform from bulky figures to neat compact units. Additionally, you can adjust the decimal precision according to your preference. For instance, you might choose to display a number as 1.5K rather than rounding it up to 2K, depending on your precision needs. Moving on to bar or column charts, the process is quite similar. First, select the chart you wish to modify and open the Style tab. Under the section labeled Show Data Labels, make sure that the labels are set to number format. Here, you'll find the Compact Numbers option. Simply enable it, and watch how your data labels automatically round and append units to instantaneously boost readability without losing essential context. As you implement these changes, there are a couple of important notes to bear in mind. Compact numbers are designed to function only when Show Data Labels is enabled and set to number. If you've set your labels to percentage or custom format, the compact option won't apply. Also, should you choose to apply any custom value formatting to specific metrics, note that this will automatically disable compact numbers. Looker Studio does not mix custom formatting with the compact number feature. In summary, compact numbers offer an excellent way to streamline large figures, making your data not only aesthetically pleasing, but also easy to interpret. Remember to check your format settings and ensure that there's no custom formatting interfering with the compact numbers option. Embrace this technique to maximize the clarity and accessibility of your dashboards, providing your audience with a clear and concise representation of complex data sets. Thank you for watching, and happy charting!